viewers, welcome to my channel. My name is Farooq Ahmed and this video basis only information purpose. I'm not giving you any financial advice in this video. If you want to invest in cryptocurrency, you must complete research. After that, you will do this. So viewers, this video is going to be very interesting for you. If you want to get more information about cryptocurrency, you must watch this video till end. And also subscribe my channel, like my video, share with your friend, and must press bell icon button because this is a necessity for you. So let's go over laptop screen.
So today we are going to discuss about also Coinbase Wallet. In this video we are going to connect our wallet with THORSwap. Yes, THORSwap with Theta coin project, and in this video we are correctly connect and how we can swap and how we can provide the liquidity, all information in this video. So please must watch this video till end. Before going to start this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. And if you need to get same information in Urdu language, then you can join my other channel, Best Cryptocurrency Wallets. So if you're going to click on my YouTube channel, click on video portion, you can see here we have discussed last video how we can connect the our wallet with 1inch exchange or DEX application. This is a DeFi application. You can also swap your coin with this website. Today we are going to connect our wallet with THORSwap. First I need to open my wallet. You can see right top corner my wallet is shown here. I just simple enter my password here. Click on unlock. After that you can see here the balance is shown 0. I have not any balance, but if I need to connect this wallets, so I just simple open the coinjacko.com, and this time Bitcoin price is $26,776. Ethereum price is $1,539. And if I'm going to click on or check the Thor rank, so going to check top 100 cryptocurrency list, it's available or not. Thor Theta network, I think they shown Theta network. Simple open it, and this is the Theta network and also the project of Thor of this main network. If I'm going to check the official website of this network, so there is Theta, yes, and also you can use the wallet, but I need to connect our wallet with THORSwap, so there is not shown. So what will I do? I will simple type here Thor chain, yes, sorry, Thor chain or Thor, yes, Thor chain and THORSwap. Simple click on Thor chain. I think by mistake I open Theta. I need to open Thor chain. The rank is 46 number, and the official website is thorchain.org available here. And now you can see here THORchain, and also you can see here these shown here swap option. This is the cross chain lending, swap, earn and borrow, and different cryptocurrency available here. Decentralized cross chain infrastructure, and also you can see here total value locked, total liquidity, total validator, total volume, and providing infrastructure for Trust Wallet, THORSwap, Shapeshift. Big name is available here. So we are going to connect our wallet with swap system. Simple click on swap. Now you can see here this option is available here, and this option is available here, THORSwap. Now click on THORSwap and after that the application will be open in front of me. A decentralized application for swap system. Your left side you can see here swap, earn, borrow, deposit, liquidity, wallet, send. So if you need to connect your wallet, simple is that you just simple click on connect option, and then your left side available chains: Avalanche, Thorchain, BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Beacon, or Binance Smart Chain, or Cosmos, Dogecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and also Litecoin. It's depend on you which chain you are going to use for this wallet. First, I need to connect my wallets. You can see here this option is available here: Wallet Connect, Trust Wallet, Rainbow, Trust Wallet, Trust Browser, MetaMask, Coinbase. I need to connect my this wallet with THORSwap. Simple click on it, and after that I just simple click on I agree. Okay, simple is that you can see here the use you can these network like Avalanche, Ethereum, and also Binance Smart Chain. Simple connect a wallet. When you click on connect the wallet, after that the pop-ups open front of you where you can connect all your wallet. Let it see your wallet balance and activity. Let it send your request for transaction. Fund will not leave your wallet until your execution is transaction. So I am going to click on connect a option. Now as you can see here, we have successfully connect our wallet with THORSwap. If you want to check this is connected or not, simple click on wallet option. After that you can see here our wallet is connected with this website, and also you can see here the Ethereum chain is by default connected with this wallet. And let's suppose you want to swap. Let's suppose you have a $1 in your one Ethereum in your wallet, in your Coinbase wallet, and you need to swap it Bitcoin or any other coin like USDT. I'm going to try is available here or not. Simple click on it, and this coin is available on ERC20. Okay, so if I'm going to pay one Ethereum, so I will get USDT $1,538. And if you want to check the fee, transaction fee, and also estimated output, minimum received after slippage, and network fees $1.20, almost, and exchange fee is free. So after check all information, then you can simple click on swap button. When you click on swap button, so one Ethereum deduct from your account and you will receive amount in shape of USDT. Okay, and second option is earn. If you need to earn money from this website, so you can see here earn BTC 1.58% APR annual percentage rate, and you can just deposit your Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDTC. The main information is available here. If you are going to deposit USDC, so you will get 14.3%, and depend on you. I'm not giving you any financial advice. If you want to get the extra money, so you can deposit your amount on these tokens. Simple is that you just connect your wallet. Let's suppose I have USDC in my wallet or any other coin. Simple click on it and enter the amount. Let's suppose 10. Simple click on deposit button, and after that your amount will be staked and you will be start receiving money or receiving reward. Okay viewers, so viewers, I hope you properly understand how can you connect your Coinbase wallet with THORSwap. This is so simple and easy. You can easily earn money from this website, or you can also swap your token one coin to other coin. So if you face any problem regarding this, you can mail to me in my email address. So before going to stop this video, so please subscribe my channel. My channel name is Crypto Wallets Info, and also press the bell icon button. So let's meet with you in new video. Bye bye.